2012 Volkswagen Beetle. This coupe is sleek and stylish with added comforts. It looks as sharp as it performs, with stylish features which include satellite radio,
premium sound system,
turbocharged engine, heated side view mirrors, panoramic roof, moonroof, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, rear spoiler, keyless entry, front bucket seats, auxiliary input,
aluminum wheels,
leather-wrapped steering wheel, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, adjustable steering wheel, daytime running lights. This is a Carfax one-owner, accident-free vehicle which qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Get a fast and easy price quote today